I'm gonna check for continuity on the switch. Pointed it there. Tester. And let's see. Switch. Doesn't work. Okay, I adjusted the light. See? If it's continuous. So let's check the switch. I'm not turning on the switch, just gonna check for continuity. Oops, there is less resistance, so it's continuous. Let's check this one. It's continuous. Let's turn it off. See? No continuity. Turn this off. No continuity. No continuity. Turn it on. There. Wait. Yes, there is continuity. Let's see with this. It's both turned on, switch is on. No power, by the way. Remove it. See, there is continuity. Now, if this one is also turned on, the lower. If I touch the screw, there is continuity. Now, if I probe on the copper below the screw, there is continuity. No continuity. There is continuity. None, of course. Let's copy this. None. I see. There's something wrong with this one. So I put the power and switch the connection. Now I use this for the recessed light because this one is working for my other light. So let's see. There, it's really the switch. Okay. So I replaced this broken switch with the new one and installed it. Because now we know it's the switch that's broken. Okay, I put some tape just like I removed it before. Just some tape because it's all crowded. Okay. Now I put everything back. See, there's a delay. Oh, but after a while, when you turn it on again, almost simultaneous.